Hi everyone, I'm Darun Raja Kumar. Today I'm going to do the demo video for the turtle graph assignment. We start from the first question. Yeah, I'm going to upload this video to my student account. Yes. Um, First requirement, I used the jar file. Here is my jar file. I used jar file. Here is my jar file. And I used main class which extends ILPU graphics. Here we go. And I added the turtle graphics class. Here is the class and it extends ILPU graphics as well. Let's move on to the second question. Yeah, I've done it, yes. Here is the about method. When I call the about method, it shows the overp and it returns the version. I've done this part. Main class as I already shown you. Main class extends the LPU graphics. Public main. I've done this part. Let's move on to the requirement 2. Pen down. Now I'm gonna write pen down. Pen down, pen up is working properly. Uh, let's see the parameters working. Alright, move. I'm just typing move. It's rising an error because the parameter is missing. Let's see on the left. Missing parameter for left. It runs only when we give the parameters. Move 100. Same as right, left. There is an error for parameters. Left 100. Right 100. Without parameters, it will not work. The command works. Yeah, I've done this one. Command works with the parameter and become can be moved with the title by the amount typed. Showing your course of to remove by 100. I've done this. Reverse command. Let's see the reverse command. It shows errors for the parameter as well. I just typed reverse. It's showing missing parameter. Let me type reverse 100. Here we go. as I already shown you the video. It's raising an error for the parameter. Yeah, it's working. Already showed you the right comments. It's right. It's working as well. Let me see the type pen up and right move. Pen up, then right, 100, 100. It's working properly. We see the colors now. I have added 4 colors on the project. Here's the I've added black. Unfortunately, it won't now work on the project. The screen comes in a black. Green, red, white, yellow, blue. I've added 5 colors. All colors are working properly. Let's see the clear command. Clear and reset. It clears the all whatever in the screen. Then reset. It comes to the initial position and points the turtle down. This is the initial position where the turtles was. Let's move on to the requirement 3. Invalid commands. It shows an invalid command. Next question, missing parameters. Right. Yeah, it's raising an error, missing parameter for right. Then we'll try the parameters. Right 100, left. This shows missing parameter. Left 100. It's working properly. If the parameter comes, it works. Yeah, I've done this. Bounce parameters, for example. Unfortunately, I didn't do the error for the invalid numbers. Now try with the loading. Save image. I'm gonna save the image in my name, the room. See, it shows image saved to the room. I'll reset it. Now we're gonna get the image back by load image, the room on the same screen. Let's see. Yeah, image loaded successfully, and here is the image which I've drawn before. Let's move on to the another question. Load commands clear the screen and open. Here is my commands. It prints on the compiler from the first. So yes, I could not do this one. Let's see. Let's see the code for the save image. I don't know this question. In which case the I don't know in which case the it shows failed to save image. I don't know about this question. I could not do this. So I'm gonna give no. I could not do this. If the current image is not saved in If the current image is not saved and the display is not, user answers. So in your code, unfortunately I could not do this as well. I don't know in which cases rise an error like failure to save image. Let's do this about overriding the about method. Call the about method which shows the version, and when the turtle finishes programming it shows my name created by the yeah it's writing name on the compiler. I could not do that square. I could not the RGB as well. Let me see the pen width. I've done pen width. Here we go. Here's my code. Let's say 40. What's happening? Let me do that again. It's working properly. Let's say pen width 1000. 1000 is not. and width. Let me do this again. One minute, let me do this again. Unfortunately, I could not do this. I didn't do the triangle size as well. I didn't do the triangle. For the um, for the extra part, I've done the star. Um, Let me fill the star now. Get rid of this one. This is the last part of the last section of the questions. Let me do the star. This is the extra part I've done. Star 300. Here is the star function. I defined the function of the backward. Here's the function. I defined the function for the backward and draw star. And that's it. Thank you for the coming in the video. I've explained my code. I'm gonna upload the video on the YouTube now. On this question, I'm gonna add my name and the GitHub portfolio now. Thank you.